Hey, why do I do international shipping? This is Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I'm going to let you know. So international shipping, a lot of people are scared to do any kind of international shipping. I have opened up international shipping on my eBay site and it's been hugely beneficial. People think, oh my goodness, spending $60 to ship something over to the United Kingdom, no way, they'll never pay that. But absolutely they do. They can't find the item anywhere else but except for on my eBay website. And so they're willing to pay the shipping in order to get it over there. Or maybe it's just flat cheaper to buy it from me and have it shipped to them than it is to buy it in the place where they live. And so opening up international shipping just opens up such a wide variety of people to buy from. And so I would definitely recommend it. And then if you're curious on how exactly to do international shipping when you do sell an item, check out my How to Pack and Ship Internationally eBay video, because I walk you through it. I show you how to sign the labels, how to print the labels, all of that kind of stuff. Also, make sure you open up Canada. Canada a lot of times will ship from the regular United States Post Office. It's not considered as extreme of an international ship as shipping over the ocean. So a lot of times they'll just use regular United States Postal Service just to ship to Canada. So be aware of those things. Make sure when you do list internationally, you do calculated shipping so that you're not paying extra because you didn't calculate it properly. I usually just put in the weight, do calculated shipping, offer priority mail shipping, and it usually goes really, really well, and I never lose any money on international shipping. And also make sure you don't put in any exceptions for specific countries. So a lot of times there'll be a list of countries that you will not ship to, and sometimes it might be the default on your eBay listing, but make sure you don't do any exclusions and you open it to every country if you so choose. So open up that international shipping. You will get so many more customers, and I have sold probably in the last 4 months to about 15 or 16 international customers. So I've been really, really excited about that. And make sure you open that up for yourself, because you don't want to restrict yourself to selling to anybody. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.